Okay, student, this is our fourth lesson of this unit. This is poetry section. So, in this, we will know about a poem which is basically about the field mouse. Okay. First, we will read this passage. What is written in this passage? Okay, Gillian Clarke is a Welsh poet who writes in English. She is an English poetess. She lives on a small farm in rural Wales, which is part of the United Kingdom. So she is living in the small area of Wales, and which is a part of United Kingdom. So she has published 7 books of her poems, and she devotes a considerable amount of her time to sharing her love of poetry with school pupils. Okay, she wrote many books related to poems, and she devotes all these poems to the school students who are studying in different schools. She devotes this poem to them. Okay, this poem was written during the bitter civil war which erupted in Bosnia following the breakup of Yugoslavia in the 1990s. Okay, this poem was written during the wartime in Bosnia, when there was destruction, and there was bad condition after the war in the Bosnia. Okay, then what happened? Both Bosnia and Britain are in Europe. Bosnia and Britain both are in Europe. Okay, the field mouse is about this war, and this poem is basically about the war in Bosnia, but it is very different from the text about war which you have read in this unit so far. Okay, this is very different poem. This is very different text. It is not same as our previous texts which we have read. In that text we read about war and destruction, but there in this poem she is not explaining, she is not showing she is not showing war and destruction in this poem. There are some hidden meanings. These hidden meanings are showing that she is talking about war. Okay, then what is there? The poet does not express her feelings by describing the war directly, but by describing a day spent on the farm cutting the hay. So she is in Bosnia, and she is not directly describing about the war, but she is describing a day which she spent in the farm cutting the hay. Basically, hay here means the grass which is, you can say, dry grass. Hay means dry grass. It is the season of cutting dry grass, and she is in the field, and she is going to describe her experience, her first day experience in this poem. Okay, now come to this poem. Okay, student, this is basically a non-rhyming poem. There is no rhyme. You know well what is rhyming. Rhyme meaning, rhyming words are having same sounds. If I give you example of a poem which is basically about Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Okay, in this poem, if we read this poem, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, how I wonder what you are. Okay, star and R both are describing a beautiful rhyming sound, and there is other further lines which are in this poem. When you read this poem, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, then you will get that there are some rhyming words in this um, poem, which are creating a beautiful sound. These called are words, rhyming words. Okay, in this poem there is no rhyming words. Like if I read first 2 lines: summer and the long grass in a snare drum, the air hums with jets, there is no rhyming in these two lines. And if I read further more lines, down at the end of the meadow, far from the radio's terrible news. There is no rhyming in these four lines, so it is non-rhyming poem. Okay student, you will read this poem and try to understand the hidden meaning of this poem. Okay, now come to page number 50. There is written reading for understanding. These are the question answer from this poem, from first stanza, two stanza, and third stanza. Okay, this is basically about this poem is basically about three stanza poem. There are three stanzas in this poem, so these are the question answers from each stanza. I have written their answers here. You will get these answers from this page. Okay, first question is from first stanza. What time of year is it? Okay, it is summer. In summer they are cutting hay, so it is the time of summer. Okay, what are the people in the poem doing in the field? Okay, as I told you that they are cutting hay. This is the time of cutting hay. They are cutting hay. What can they hear in the sky? They can hear jets because it is the time of war, so they can hear jets. They can hear different voices of bombs and different voices of other gunfires. So they can hear this in the sky, the voices of different jets. Okay, these are some questions from stanza 1, stanza 2, and stanza 3. There are different answers of these all questions. You will get their answers and you will write these answers on your copies. Okay, now come to page number 51. On page number 51 they explain the they explain the briefly first stanza, two stanza, and three stanza. Okay, we will start from first stanza. What is in this first stanza? In the first stanza, the poet has heard on the radio terrible news about the war in which Europeans are killing each other. Okay, the poetess listened the news. In first stanza, she listened news about the war in European and they are killing each other. As she and her family get on with their work in the field, the suffering of those involved in the war is on her mind. Okay, there, as I told you that this is the time of war, so she is listening news about war on radio. She became afraid, and there are many things, and there are many things which are basically about destruction comes in her mind, and she became afraid. Okay, what is in there are some question answers in from first stanza again. You will get first stanza and you will read first stanza and then you will write their answers by yourself. Okay, then we have the second stanza here. In the second stanza, the poet's little boy brings to her a badly injured mouse which he has found in the cut grass. Okay, in the second stanza, little boy who is the son of poetess, he brings a little mouse in his hand and which he found in the dry grass. The children kneel down and stare at his little body. This is what happens literally in this stanza, but as throughout the poem, the literal events are making her and the reader think about the civil war in the Bosnia and the killing going on there. Okay, in this stanza, this is very important stanza about the mouse condition and about the present condition in the Bosnia. So when the children brought a mouse in his hand, which was basically injured during the cutting grass, so This condition of mouse, injured condition of mouse, shows the different condition of peoples in the war. So she became afraid, and she became sad after seeing the condition of mouse, bad condition of mouse, and she thought about different peoples who are fighting in this war.